So in this video, we are going to talk about the best beach in North Goa, the Candolim Beach.
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, but I like to party.
The Candolim Beach is one of the most happening and frequented beaches in Goa. That is also one of the longest beaches in the state. Nonetheless, the Candolim Beach is also famous for hosting India's biggest electronic music dance festival, the Sunburn Festival. Overlooking the Candolim Beach, the Agora Fort of the major places to visit in Goa. In addition, the Kalangut Beach is also a nearby and popular attraction. The Candolim Beach also offers many spa, resorts and homestays where one can spend an ideal and rejuvenating beach holiday. According to me, the Candolim Beach has much less crowd compared to the Kalangut and Baga. Fisherman's Cove and Inferno are the best restaurants in Candolim Beach. And if you're traveling to North Goa, this beach must be in your to-do list. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and for such videos subscribe to this channel and also check out the Goa playlist which is linked in the description. Bye bye, take care, peace.